GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
Milky Mist Paneer. Milky Mist Paneer. Who's the more impatient partner? What?
I just had the shot because I was impatient. I couldn't wait.
You, Jana, you.
I thought we decided it should be you.
You know what he calls me? He abuses me.
I just got OCDK.
OCD king.
He calls me OCDK.
Who's the most stubborn one?
Stubborn also him.
Listen, what is happening? So
She's not stubborn. She's not going to agree that she's stubborn.
You are also
now I know why we are fighting each other.
Oh my god.
The one who fights more.
He did not give me diamond. I get so angry when someone gives me diamond.
Why? So proposal?
I want my own. I will buy my own diamond. And I'm very sensitive about my chai.
Everybody is.
Very sensitive. Zara si gori zyada hui. I don't like it.
Iska chai mein they have so much masala. It's like bancha soup. I mean, chai is just one ingredient of it. I realized I have bought a device to make holes in the belt from Amazon. I don't even know why.
Even if it's not suiting him, he'll still.
Meri himmat.
Now we have Divya and Apu only for guilty shots. इस round में क्या करना है? Guilty shots basically मैं situations बोलूँगा जो ज़्यादा guilty है. Like who is busy, who is the one who is more annoying, who is the one who gets irritated quickly. ऐसे मैंने लिखे नहीं है but मैं बोल रहा हूँ. जो भी decision होगा उसमें से पीना पड़ेगा.
Okay.
जो who is most likely to basically.
Okay.
Okay. So the first one, who is the more impatient partner? What?
So in small things, he is very impatient. कुछ life का बड़ा कुछ होगा ना, he is the most patient guy you'll ever meet.
Listen, he is more impatient than you are.
Yeah.
I just had the shot because I was impatient. I couldn't wait.
Who's the more unorganized or messy one with things?
You, Jana, you.
I thought we decided it should be you.
No, it's you.
You are the more unorganized one also.
I'm
the
boss of the house,
organized.
Now if you see this,
but you are very organized.
I want to place it like
but
this.
That's not called organization. That's called OCD.
Everything. OCD to
OCDK.
organization. You know what he calls me? He abuses me.
No.
Yeah. Bata?
I just got OCDK.
OCD king.
He calls me OCDK.
I just got it.
OCDK.
And I am thinking OCD क्यों होगा ना? OCD queen. Okay. I am just such a nice boy I am. I think I don't get it.
Oh yes, of course.
Who's the most stubborn one?
Stubborn also him.
Listen, what is happening?
You thought I'll be taking more shots like
this is what I thought for Sargun also, but then Ravi took more shots. So
She's not stubborn. She's not going to agree that she's stubborn.
So that means
fine. We take
But
both of us take.
But you are stubborn.
I am stubborn. Yes, I agree.
But you think he's more stubborn than
he's
me?
more stubborn. He's a Tauran.
Excuse me, you just did a personal attack.
You are also
now
a Tauran.
I know why we are fighting each other.
Oh my god.
Now you're a minority. Did you realize what happened?
You unfortunate. We are just headstrong.
See.
We are just
This is what I'm talking.
We are just headstrong. No?
See, we are at a level where people don't understand.
Oh my god, yes.
It's okay.
And she's very smartly put the coffee
thing back.
down.
Yeah.
No, have it. Because
Fine.
you are
Now you both are
half.
Tauran.
Chalo.
You both are so stubborn on having me shots. So
just shut up. You can give half to it. You can have. Taurians are headstrong. You can't help it.
Maybe
But
by the
when
end
is
of
your
the
birthday?
session.
Sorry?
When is your
7 May.
birthday?
7th of May.
Okay, 13th.
13th.
1 week almost.
Yeah.
The one who fights more. झगड़ा शुरू कौन करता है? मतलब झगड़ा कौन?
Ask this question 3-4 times, you'll get a live example.
Tushar.
You fight more. You fight more. You fight more.
You do. Fuck yeah, we are very both either very similar or
दोनों ही fight.
We both
we
fight.
both fight, man.
Oh god.
We both.
Okay, who is the one who says sorry?
Can I take 2?
No, who says sorry the least?
Shut up. I
Who says sorry the
नहीं, you
least?
एक से तो tray हटा दी जाना. You are having this. No, I always say sorry. I always end up saying sorry.
I can believe that.
Seriously.
I can believe
Yeah.
that.
That's the best trait of an actor.
Shut up! hold on. पैसे लेती हूँ मैं एक्टिंग करने के, फ्री में नहीं करूंगी मैं.
हमने दिया ना कितना?
One,
Love.
this-
But you are the one. अरे but you are the one who says sorry more. Then he has to drink it. This I can agree. That
हम दोनों,
she
every time we
possibly
take
could say
equal
sorry
number.
more. Who is the worst cook?
I can't cook.
What did you try making something for her?
Chai.
Chai and
And I'm very sensitive about my chai.
everybody is.
Very sensitive. जरा सी गोरी ज़्यादा हुई, I don't like it. जरा सी काली ज़्यादा. This is a specific color.
I don't have the slightest inclination towards cooking. It doesn't come naturally to me at all.
Yeah, he's a
And
restaurant.
especially after the. So I can hire chefs. That's
क्यों खुद काम करे जब हायर कर सकते हैं? बट चाय जो बनाई थी वो कैसी थी? बहुत बुरी. क्या कम? मतलब what was?
नहीं,
I think chai patti bhul gaya मैं. I don't know what.
नहीं, बहुत कम चाय पत्ती डाल.
इसका चाय में they have so much masala. It's like bancha soup. I mean, chai is just one ingredient of it.
Who is the biggest spendthrift? तो सबसे ज्यादा पैसे बकवास चीजों पे उड़ाता है.
ये.
What's the worst thing that he's bought, like a most useless expensive?
Oh, I'm no
I
clue.
will tell you. Charging cable cords.
What?
That's not worst.
That is worst. एक
That's
कितनी होनी चाहिए? 2,
हाँ.
3.
हाँ.
मैं तेरे सामने अभी 7 लेकर आऊँ. 7, 8. Each for one room, each for one corner. गाड़ी में 3, 4.
So I'm sitting. I have friends. We host friends. I want my phone to be charged. Someone else.
But I think that's okay.
I think the worst thing I realized, which I realized
fine.
only, forget her. One, I was just rearranging my drawers. I realized I have bought a device to make holes in the belt from Amazon. I don't even know why.
Holes in the
belt.
Belt वो
Belt के लिए hole
yeah.
करा हुआ है house का hole वाला आता है ना.
But listen, it's very important.
कभी यूज नहीं किया है इसने.
कभी I'm like, why did I even buy it?
And he will shop for like on online shopping. एक तो इसको पता होना चाहिए कि इसके साइज का बहुत डिफिकल्टी होता है ऑनलाइन.
But return policy भी होता है.
तो रिटर्न जाता ही नहीं है. I'm showing you so many shirts and t-shirts of his. Labels are intact and not been used since years.
But did you gift him anything which he had to return? Or vice versa? Did
नहीं,
you?
बेचारा बहुत प्यार से use. Even if it's not suiting him, he'll still.
मेरी
you know.
हिम्मत.
And what is the best thing that he's gifted you?
So there was this handmade sweater. People were like from the wool.
Oh.
ठीक है. And then वो इसने अपने रेस्टोरेंट में फ्ली मार्केट लगा हुआ था. इसने देखा कि oh this is so unique. ये मुझे लेना चाहिए. It is one of the most thoughtful gifts, but I did not use it till now.
It's just one piece
Why?
in the world.
It's one piece in the world.
Because it's handmade. It's
Yeah.
not expensive.
Yeah.
But it's one piece.
Listen,
Someone's effort.
That's
And
story
the best
for
thing,
you.
the best thing, he did not give me diamond. I get so angry when someone gives me diamond.
Why? So proposal?
I want my own. I will buy my own diamond.
But
So he
proposal?
knew. There's
Oh,
no
this
diamond.
is not diamond.
Strictly no diamond.
Who passes out after a few drinks?
Me.
After how many?
Show. Prove it.
Who is it who cannot keep a secret?
Who cannot keep a secret?
I don't remember secrets.
हाँ,
Then he
इसका-
keeps it.
I don't remember. I generally won't remember.
But you also can keep a secret, I feel.
To some specific people, like if you tell me something, उसमें कम से कम 2 लोगों को तो मालूम ही होगा.
सोहेल को बताओ.
नहीं, सोहेल नहीं. इसको मालूम ही रहता है. He knows.
Okay, who is so late that they're most likely to miss their flight?
I agree. जहाँ मैं agree करती हूँ, वहाँ मैं agree करती हूँ.
Okay, who's most likely to keep the AC remote at night?
सारा पी ले. I'm sick
AC
of
remote
it.
and fan regulator should be on my side.
Yeah.
Why?
Oh, so I need AC and I need fan. I need AC at about 24 and fan at about 1 or 2. She can sleep in the morning in the sunlight on her without the AC and without the fan.
I cannot sleep.
For me, if she turns off the fan when I'm sleeping, before the fan stops moving, I'll be up. That much I need that.
Is it painful?
It is. सुबह 6 बजे मुझे समझ नहीं आता.
That's marriage.
You want to go to the washroom? You like, पता है क्यों? जाना है इतनी जोर से. You have to go to the washroom also. Then you can't even move. तेरी body अकड़ी हुई है. You have to gather yourself and go to the washroom.
The last two, who's most likely to steal the blanket then?
you.
अच्छा, इसीलिए you will need the remote.
हाँ,
With the blanket.
he will take it. जितना ये मेरे को प्यार में दिन में रखता है ना, उतना ही रात को नींद में. अरे, he will talk also in the night. He'll wake me up. He'll remember something. He'll talk, and then he
Which I
will
have no
also not
memory of.
remember. He has no memory of it.
Oh wow, who's most likely to snore? But it's a good balance. Half I think you drank,
Yeah.
half I think he drank.
Yeah.
But all the secrets are out now.
Yeah.
But thank you so much for doing this.
Thank you so
and
much.
It was really lovely talking to you.
Same here. We had fun. Thank you so much. Please
Yes.
watch out for Narandeep. He's lovely.
Yes, it's quite an ensuk.
Hi, this is Divya Agarwal.
Hi, this is Apurva Patgaonkar,
You guys are watching Galata India.
along with her.
GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
Milky Mist Paneer. Milky Mist Paneer.